In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make it so that all of the keys can be automatically changed to a different instrument in one go. What I need to do is go to the stage, to the backdrop, to make this happen. And I'm going to go to Events first, and I'm going to grab the green flag option. And what I'm going to do is give people the opportunity to ask a question. So we need to go into the Sensing panel here, and by default it says ask what's your name and wait. We'll have a look at that in a moment. But what we need to do next is create a variable. I've already done it, but it's called instrument. So let me show you how we do that. Let me just delete that one. And we go to make a variable. And you can call it whatever you want to, but obviously instrument's a good name for this variable. And it needs to be for all sprites. Hopefully you can see that. And we press OK. Now, I want to drag in the set instrument to option. Then what I do is I go into sound, and I'm just having a look at this so that you can understand that in the instrument panel there are 21 different instruments. So what I want to do is ask people which instrument. So choose 1 to 21. So we're saying choose a number from 1 to 21. And at the moment it says set instrument to 0. So what we actually want to do is set the instrument to their answer. And we drag that in there. Okay. Now that's great. We're going to ask a question. It will set the instrument variable to whatever they choose from 1 to 21. But it needs to actually change that on the panel. So if we go into the sprite here where it says set instrument to 1, what we want to do is go to data and drag that variable into that box. And we need to do it for all of the keys, otherwise it will only do it for one of them. So drag that in, and let's have a look how this works then. So we press the green flag, so it's choosing 1 to 21, so I'll go with the piano, and here we go. Okay, that's worked, so let's stop that and let's try again. So I'm going to choose 4, press the green tick. Okay, that's worked, and let's try one more, something a bit crazier. Let's go with number 12, and you can't hear that one, that wasn't a good choice. Let's try another one, let's try number 6. And you can see that that variable here, which is asking the question, is passing the answer into the variable instrument and then passing that variable value into all of the keys on the keyboard. And that's how we can use a global variable to set a value that changes the instrument in your keyboard.